Imagine wealth not as a number but as a state of mind. Financial mindfulness is the quiet force that keeps fortunes intact across generations. It's more than budgeting or tracking expenses. It's a daily conscious awareness of how every decision, big or small, echoes into your future. Wealthy individuals don't just ask, "Can I buy this?" They ask, "Should I?" Each purchase, investment, or commitment is carefully weighed not just for its immediate reward but for its impact on their long-term vision and goals. This habit of pausing before spending, questioning the necessity, the value, and the future consequences creates a subtle but powerful separation from those who live paycheck to paycheck. Financial mindfulness means seeing money as a tool, not a price. It means understanding that every dollar spent is a dollar that could be invested, grown, or used to create new opportunities. Over time, this mindset compounds, building not just wealth but resilience and freedom. The secret isn't luck or privilege, it's the discipline to think beyond the moment again and again and to align every financial choice with a bigger purpose.